Oh, we're doing Grandma's kitchen now? Without pause, I drag myself into a mid-century kitchen after having vanquished the pink bathroom. Honestly, at this point, I just want to take a nap. I'm tired, sleepy, and I smell like old carpets. There's no sleep for those looking to remodel something that's been the same for 60 years. There's a lot of history here. Perhaps the oven prepared a spam casserole on the afternoon of the Kennedy assassination. Maybe the sink got some dirty dishes washed in as the Bay of Pigs was occurring. Or perhaps the counter was getting some salsa made on it for the very first Super Bowl. The cabinet was surely open to retrieve wine glasses on the day our beloved meme machine, the internet, in the incarnation of ARPANET, was born. All this history deserves a second life, and today, the cabinets will be refreshed and feel as new as I do after having crawled around in the itchy-ass fiberglass in the attic, then taking a nice shower. So I should mention that a great deal of work has already been done here, some of which I have already made videos for. Grandma's ceiling light, for instance, her wallpaper, as well as replacing her all-original wall oven. Now, cabinetry is a curious thing. If you were to pay professionals to do this, I can easily see this job topping out at over $10,000. Quality cabinets just aren't cheap, and you could for materials alone wind up shelling out $3,000. But I look at this and I think to myself, well, hot damn, look at that. It's all real wood, perhaps oak. No MDF, no plastic, no bullshit, just a timeless material that can last many centuries if well cared for. You want something to look instantly more modern? Just paint it white. Honest. Part of the reason the bathroom looks so good is because some white was introduced. Old car, paint it white. Old shoes, paint them white. Food going bad, paint it white. Hotel, Trivago. So all the cabinet doors and hardware should be removed and carefully labeled so that you know where they came from. Once they are removed, they first need to be carefully cleaned and degreased. Then a random orbital sander should be used to rough up the surface. You can certainly do it by hand, but ain't nobody got time for that. Then all the holes get filled in with wood filler, and this process can take several days to complete depending on the number of doors. All the other surfaces need to get sanded as well. The cabinet doors are then painted. We made a makeshift painting rack to accelerate the job, as the doors need 2 to 3 coats. I should note that despite our best efforts to clean up the wood, some nasty-ass grease or other chemicals seep through the paint, causing us to have to use crud cutter and having to repaint it multiple times until it was sealed in for good. So hardware can be a massive pain in the ass, or as simple as you choose it to be. We chose a direct fit replacement. These hinges are spring-loaded and have a special lengthened section to accommodate our particular cabinet door shape. I'll leave a link to those in the description. They're quite difficult to find. If you want those physics-defying God knows what they're good for soft close hinges, you're on your own. Then you attach the doors. Preferably you're not forever alone and have someone to help you hang the doors. I used a paint stirrer to center the doors as we were hanging them. For the drawer handles, you mark the center on the drawer, then this hole drilling guide was used to stay consistent while making holes. And that's that. With the combination of white and stainless steel hardware, we are instantly catapulted into current year, while still retaining some of the mid-century charm. You know the saying, they don't make them like they used to? Yeah, they really don't. You probably can't find cabinets made like this anymore, so that just adds to the unique quality of this kitchen. Saying that out loud makes me feel like some kind of kitchen hipster.
Yeah, I repurposed stuff before it was cool. Mostly because I was poor and sported a weird mustache.
Regardless, I like the way this looks. Next time, I'll be tackling this greasy vintage range vent. Thanks for watching.
Can't perform under pressure.
Where's the hole?
Yeah, find that hole. Oh yeah.